Hi everyone, myself Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So one of the topic is discrete structure and optimization technique. So it will in that northwest corner rule I am going to discuss. So first of all, what is meant by transportation problem? So transportation problem is a specific type of linear programming problem. The goal is to minimize the total cost of transportation, whether the supply and demand at the source and the destination points. So the balanced transportation in this problem, the supply and demand are equal. The unbalanced transportation, here the supply and demand are not equal to balance the problem, and we might need to add a dummy row or column. To find the initial feasible solution for the transportation, we can use northwest corner rule. So northwest corner rule is nothing but to find the initial basic feasible solution. In that we have to assign a northwest corner cell of the transportation matrix, and we have to follow the steps. We have to choose the minimum value in the supply and demand. Then we have to assign the supply and demand and cross the row. Repeat the procedure. Let us see one problem is given. In that problem we have to check whether the sum is balanced or not. 250, 300, 400 is your supply. Demand 200, 225, 275, 250. We have to check the total of the supply and demand. If it is equal means then we can say it is a balanced transportation problem. It is 950, 950, then we can say it is a balanced transportation problem. Then we have to see the northwest corner. In that 11 is the northwest corner. We have to allocate 200 because supply 250, demand 200. We have to allocate 200 and subtract in that 200. You will get 50. Cancel the column. Then next we go with the next corner 13. Again allocate the minimum value of supply or else demand. Here it is minimum is 50. Then you can cancel the row. Then you can go with the column also. 18 is the northwest corner. Then you have to allocate 175 and subtract from 300. You will get 225. Repeat the procedure until the northwest corner will get cancelled, and finally we can see the transportation path and find the transportation cost in that. 200 into 11, 50 into 13, 175 into 18, 125 into 14, 150 into 13. You will get 12,200. And also you can check the non-degeneracy. M plus n minus 1 equal to number of allegation. So in that the total allegation is 6 and m plus n minus 1 is also 6. If it is equal means we can conclude that it is non-degeneracy solution. And the transportation cost also you can find. There are the three methods. One is northwest corner, second one is least cost method, third one is VAM method. These three methods are very similar and we can go with that problem. The best one is VAM method, Vogel approximation method. In these three methods you will get a transportation cost, and our aim of the transportation is to minimize the cost. So which help us to find the transportation cost, and you can continue the problem by the transport assignment problem also having. It is a specific case of the transportation problem. Okay, thank you. And this help us to find the optimal solution for the problem. So using the transportation problem we can easily allocate the sums and supply and demand. Based on the demand and supply we can choose the problem. Thank you.